Hey guys, I want to share with you a quick tip that involves salt. So when you're gluing two different boards together, it's very common that when you put your clamps on, they slide. So the benefit with using salt is you just sprinkle some on your glue, put your clamps on, and that salt embeds itself within the wood and it creates basically like sandpaper between the two boards, and it will not slide. So that also gives you the ability to not have to put so many clamps in a board that you're just trying to keep them from moving. This will enable you to be able to use less clamps so you can use them on other projects. So that's my quick tip for you today. Have you ever used salt in your workshop? Have you ever used it out of a really fancy container? Sorry honey, I borrowed this from you. But it works really well, it's very effective, and it's something really simple that you can just keep laying in your shop for those big glue ups that you don't want the glue or the wood to slip and slide on you. Alright, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel because I do a lot of these kind of tip videos. I also do a lot of DIY stuff and projects. So if any of that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and remember to click the little bell icon. That way you know of every video that I put out as soon as it comes out. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.